Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to track mindfulness minutes on your iPhone. Before we start, I wanted to mention that unlike, for example, steps or sleep, your iPhone does not automatically sense mindfulness. It fully relies on you to log manually through health application. Let's open it, and you want to go to Browse tab at the bottom side of the screen. Now let's select section Mental Wellbeing, and now here you want to find Mindful Minutes. Let's go to this section, and in the top right you want to press this plus icon and enter start and end date as well as time. So let's do this, for example, and tap this check mark in the top right to add your mindful minutes. Let's go to today. This is October. So you will see your mindful minutes right here. So that's how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.